All right, I've got 3 offices in my basement here. It's got mold. That one's moist to the touch right there. This is actually the worst of it here. My carpet is actually moist. This is soft. You can see there in the corner. Wish my painters had not painted over it here. Going over to the next one. I'm moving east here in the building. Here's another corner. This one is not as wet. Down here, same thing. Again, this one's more dry. This one's more dry. And then finally we got water coming in, or moisture in this last office towards the east. And again, my painters came in, painted over it. I'm sure it goes higher up the wall. Wanted to alert you to that. Lastly, I had a question that I was hoping somebody can answer for me. What is this thing right here? It looks like some sort of a water spigot. Is that what all it is? Is it just a hose spigot? Because it looks like it's been pounding the ground with water. Right here, there's a huge hole. And I wonder if that's the problem. Was this turned on and left on, perhaps? That water is going to be all along this edge right here. Might not just be that, though, because you can see there's obviously water runoff down the path. You can see the parking lot hose goes right there. Presumably maybe partially gets over into the woods, but part of it is running down here clearly. You can see all these roots have given way. You can't really see how there's obviously like a channel of water that's been flowing down from up there. And that's running right into the side of the building right here. There's also the spigot here. I don't know if that's been on, but this whole area is where the water damage is.